Look at the state of me. Guys, look here it is. It was Taija. I definitely want to try and do a full face of Gucci. But it's rich niggas blowing paper. And it's time for the twerkulator. How flipping cute. Morning. So it's a new day, new week. Where's that going? Okay, so I'm literally just heading to my car and getting my tattoo done. I'm running late as usual. Some really crazy people around today. Yeah, so I'm finishing up my tattoo. I wasn't really meant to plan to do it today, but my tattoo artist is here, so it's like, fuck it, let me just do it because I didn't want to get any more tattoos for a while after this, so I don't want to get there till 3 though. Oh my god. I just got home. Look at the state of me. Like, I couldn't even record. I got there at 2, no, about 3 o'clock, and it's now 10 o'clock. But should come home with some packages. Ren sent flipping cake, which looks like that. So cute. The only thing is I'm giving up sugar, so I'm trying to, oh, guys, I spoke to this trainer today. She was so snatched. And she was like, it's a lifestyle, but it's just like, oh, I want to have fun too, but it's just so annoying. It's so cold in here. Jesus. I was supposed to meet up with Taija today, but my tattoo artist just went over time. And yeah, so I'm going to try and meet up with her tomorrow. I am just flipping shattered. Like, I haven't even like unfrosted any meat or anything. How am I going to go to the gym with this tomorrow? Even tired as, but obviously did. Because I wore the jacket. I'm in so much pain. I got that done. What is this launch for anyway? Oh, it's a mask. Why did I send 2? I'm so confused. Did I send me 2? It's weird. Everyone wants to give to someone. Child, I need to get myself together. Got gym again tomorrow.
This is definitely fruity.
Twerkulator. Yeah, it's for the new, it's like a comforting mask. So it's sort of skin stress. I'm gonna have to eat the cake now because I am knackered. Well, this camera's gonna fucking fall. I'm literally on my way to meet Taija. We're going for dessert. I shouldn't really be eating sugar, but we move. My camera's literally slanted because there's so much shit we're trying to shred in this. Can you guys see me okay? Oh! I literally found a super cute jumpsuit from ASOS. Yeah, driving to Stratford. Maybe I should do ways how to get to Stratford. Should I take the ferry? Nah, it's a bit long though. Nah, I'm not gonna take the ferry. But yeah, it should be cute to see her. It was supposed to be casual. Actually, a jumpsuit is quite casual. I mean, she's wearing this and Bottega boots, but I feel like I hardly ever dress up anymore, so. Oh, what in the Fast and Furious? Yeah, so guys, just arrived in Stratford and we're going to this place called Heavenly Desserts. It's like right next to this ramen place. It's so flipping cute. Me and Taija are gonna come in for dessert. And then you're walking like that. Guys, look, here it is. It was Taija. She's returned. Now she's been booked and busy. We're literally at Heavenly Desserts. It's in Stratford, guys. So Taija got the crepes. We had this amazing latte, which is banging. We've got a lotus waffle. I had to obviously get the strawberry cheesecake. Banged. But it looks so good. So yeah, we're having dessert here. It's based in Stratford, but they have them all over the UK, guys. So we're gonna tuck in. I just got back from meeting with Taija. It was so cute. She actually got me these shoes from like a while ago from Matches because I wanted them for ages and they came back in the sale and she got me them. How cute are they? You guys probably won't like them, but they're just so, they're such like a nice kind of clean vibe shoe. They're Margiela. Actually, might some of Margiela boots actually, but we'll talk about that later. And then I literally just got this gift from Maison Francis, how do you say it, Kudran? I don't say his last name, but I was literally just doing a little video, so I'll show you guys what's in it after 1 sec. So this is the gift I got. It's the aesthetic for me. How gorgeous. This is called Aqua Vitae. Please find enclosed brand new Maison Francis Aqua Vitae cologne. Hope it becomes your go-to summer scent. Like this note. Gorgeous. It's citrusy floral scent, bergamot with Calabria blends, and a chord of sunny flowers with essential musks. Ooh, I'm actually really confused. Is this alcoholic? Oh. Maybe it is. I think it is. Okay. Whatever it's called, and this bottle's beautiful. Wow, stunning. It's very floral, but very dark. I like it. I do like it. It's really nice. Super cute. Also got some stuff from Gucci. So Gucci have released some new, this is actually a really cute bag. So some lip liners and eyeliners. I actually took a look at these the other day. I'll probably try and incorporate them into a video. They look really cute. I just wish there was a brown lip liner. There's like a burgundy-ish one, but the eyeliners look really good. I definitely want to try and do a full face of Gucci. Really love the bag. Let me show you. So this is kind of like, the lip liner is actually really cute, but again, can you see it's a bit too red, but still cute though. Could definitely do like a look with these. Maybe even use them on the eyes. Definitely a whole vibe. Morning guys. I'm literally just up. I feel really tired. I keep going to bed like, how do I keep going to bed? I keep going to bed at like, how cute is this glass by the way? I keep going to bed at like 2 AM, which is annoying. Me and Taija again went for dessert yesterday. It was so good, but I know my trainer is gonna go in on me today. I'm having like a Barocca. This is like an energy release thing. So I've got a meeting with my manager. Just put the bottom like that. Oh, I love when it does that. It's so like therapeutic. But it also reminds me, remember that TikTok of people like pretending to poison people? If I send someone give me a drink and it started fizzing like that, but let's believe I am running, okay? Oh my god, I'm trying to think the last time I vlogged and guys, it was a wrap. First of all, I miss Sip and Slay, which I'm so sorry for. I'm just kind of like in and out of that at the moment. Like, do you guys prefer guests? Do you like it by myself? Because sometimes I feel like when I'm by myself, it's a bit dry. Let me guys know in the comments down below. I went gym and I went on Thursday because I had a meeting with my manager. And then I met up with an old PR friend and guys, spicy margaritas. First of all, I don't really drink margaritas, but guys, it took me out. It took me the blood clot out. So I'm just like, oh my flipping god. So my place is so messy. So messy. So I'm gonna try and just fix up some things. It's a bank holiday weekend. So you can see like all the mess there. We've got Nando's, got everything. So I'm gonna try and clean up my place. I need to clean up my closet. Go for some new PR, which I think I showed you anyway. And yeah, guys, it was a write-off. Okay, so literally just got some pizza. Like after this week, guys, I've been so, it's almost June. Like how crazy is that? So I got myself Papa John's. Well, all my friends are out tonight, and I just thought, you know what? I'm keeping myself in. I've been moving very mad. I was very tempted to do a Sip and Slay tonight, but I just thought, you know what? Let me just record. Why am I drinking even though I had Sprite? Listen, I really want to watch Pose, even though Pose isn't on Netflix yet. My friend sent me, oh shit.
Now, I don't know if I'm tripping.
A link, and I just feel like, you know, obviously it's a fun watch, but I feel like I have to be in a certain kind of mood, do you know what I mean? Because I heard it's very emotional this season. So, I'm not sure what to watch. I definitely want to put on a film though or something, so I'm gonna do that. I need to tidy up my place, and then maybe I can show you some new shoes that I got, and then yeah. I was very tempted to go out though, very tempted, but sometimes you just gotta take a break, sis. There's rich niggas blowing paper, and it's time for the twerkulator. It's time for the twerking. Morning! So, today's a new day. I feel so boring because yesterday all my friends went out and I just stayed in. I think that's probably for the best anyway, because I'm speaking to my friends. Why are they getting in at 5 AM please? Which nothing's bad with it, but I just know I would have been feeling like crap today, and I feel like I really need to take like a little, not detox, because obviously we're coming out of a pandemic. Oh god, this unit is, oh my god, I want to rip this unit off so badly, but I can't because I gotta create content. Oh, it's annoying me so much. I'm actually gonna make a coffee. I finally have ice. When did I make this coffee brew? I'm sure it can be cold brew for ages. I've got so much makeup in my kitchen, it's actually annoying. I do want to play with this palette though. How pretty is this palette by Natasha Denona. Definitely want to do a look with this. It's so flipping gorgeous. Like, so pretty. I might do a video to it. I'm thinking to do a slip and slay tonight. This makeup is a bit of death of me. Like, why have I got so much makeup in my flipping kitchen? It's actually getting on my nerves now. Oh, not the hiccups. I'm gonna make a coffee because I need to wake up. I'm really tempted to go to Chanel just to get that bronzer, but I just know it's not gonna be dark enough for me. And like, I'm not wasting that much money on a flipping Chanel cream bronzer. Even I've always wanted to try it, so. Show you guys how cute. I'm not sure if I showed you in a previous clip out now, but Sunday Riley sent me this robe. It says, it's called Beauty. Sunday Riley loves Gary. How flipping cute. How flipping cute. Make my coffee. It's spilled everywhere though. How ghetto. Gave myself a mini facial. I didn't even film in hair clothes. I did it for like a TikTok, but how nice does my skin look? So far, my skin has been looking so like rough, but I'm gonna show you the shoes in a minute that Taija managed to secure for me in the matches sale. They're so cute. They won't be for everyone's liking, but let me guys know in the comments what you think of them, because I know some of you guys will be like, girl, what in the world? So it's just cleaning up my room. Let me show you guys my tattoo. So this is it all here. Like, look how much it's like scabbing so much. I want to itch it, but you're really not supposed to itch it, but all these flakes are coming off. It's so actually disgusting. So literally just like that, details like that. But I'm gonna show you the shoes. I'm literally just like in my bedroom. Yeah, I would show you, but you'd like, even though people probably know where I live anyway, so I literally the outfit change. Like, it's just kind of bait, but I have blinds, but they're only like kind of like blackout blinds. And when you open it, people just can see me from my window, so it's kind of the most annoying thing, because I wish the landlord would put in see-through blinds, because I could open it and have like the window open. So it's just like, what I'm supposed to do here, do you know what I mean? So I have one extreme or the next, so thank you. So let me show you the shoes. Okay, so let me show you the shoes. So the shoes are from Margiela. You probably can't see because the box is white and it just oversaturates. So these are, I wanted these for ages. I actually wanted the black croc ones, but these are in sale. My friend Taija got them for me. How flipping cute. So if you guys know anything about Margiela, they always have like, well, the tabby shoe, they always have like the split in the middle there. I've actually tried them on and they're so flipping comfy. Let me try both of them on actually, because child, imagine they don't fit. Well, they do fit, but let me show you. Matches really nice to pack shit well. Hold on. Let me put them on. Oh, because I've got a split toe, it feels so mad. But you can actually get special, actually the shoehorn for these, because the leather is so soft. Obviously not for everyone, but I think even with the outfit that I've got on, oh my god, I was like, cream my legs, look how dry my legs look. Not in the wall, but they look so fire. I'm actually gonna end the vlog here now, guys. My unit is itching again. I know this vlog has been short and sweet, but this week was honestly just a complete madness. I'm so sorry there wasn't a sip and slay. One will be coming soon next week. If one's tonight, if not whenever, but probably be next week. But thank you guys for always commenting and really liking the reviews. You guys seem to be really liking like uploads and doing reviews, so thank you guys for sticking like by me. I love you guys so much, and Team Plastic